Hello guys, there is one question in front of me regarding cash book. Here what's given to us as per the statement impressed amount is rupees 5000. Now what is impressed amount? This is the amount which is given to the petty cashier for meeting out the petty cash expenses. Here 5000 rupees is given to him for meeting out the petty cash expenses, and the special thing about the impress system is that this amount is has to be same at the beginning of each and every month with the petty cashier. That means if it is a January month we are providing him with 5000, then at the Feb month starting he should again have a total of rupees 5000. March month starting he should again have a total of rupees 5000, and like that. So in the question what is given to us, what will be the petty cashier receiving next month from the cashier if the amount spent by the petty cashier are the following expenses. So here, what is the total amount spent by the petty cashier is total spent by him is on stationery, on small repairs, on journal expenses and refreshment. The total becomes 3400. So out of 5000 rupees, he has spent how much? 3400 rupees. So that means how much is left with him? Here, the left amount with him is of rupees 1600, right? So out of 5000, when he spent 3400, 1600 is left with him. Now to make this 1600 again a rupee of 5000, how much he needs more is how much he spent, right? So for here, total amount spent is always equals to the total amount receivable by the petty cashier from the petty cashier to make it again a sum of rupees 5000 here, right? So what in the question was that what will the petty cashier receive from the cashier? That is, he should receive a sum of rupees 3400, so as to make his 1600 rupees again a sum of 5000. So that the question says, as per the question, that every month he should have, every month beginning he should have 5000 rupees. If he spent 3400 and left with 1600, so he should receive 3400 to make it again a sum of rupees 5000. Thank you, Accountitude. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Keep scoring.